Oh, here it comes. You sure did. You left your perfect finished presentation on your computer, on your bed, back at the hotel. You're on in a couple of minutes and you've just noticed. Yep, they're still there. You'd be fine if, like Roger, you had remembered to sync your presentations to the cloud. But we both know you didn't sync anything. Your brain doesn't work like that. And like everyone else, it's not like all your technology products are from just one brand, which complicates the matter of retrieving your promotion-winning presentation. Now come on, Roy. Think for a second. Explore your inner genius. Breathe deeply and remember what you know about ASA Cloud. It backs up everything automatically and comes with new ASA devices. Oh, it even works across non-ASA devices and a range of operating systems. And best of all, with remote files from ASA Cloud, you can get into the local files from your computer. All done. You've grabbed the file and probably saved your job for now. Things are looking up. But there's always just that last little tweak to make, isn't there? And with ASA Cloud, your last-minute change is updated automatically on all your other devices, including the computer you regretfully forgot to bring. Now, you've got to go out there and deliver the thing. Oh, and try not to remember that you're afraid of public speaking. That was then, Roy, and this is now. You'll be brilliant. ASA Cloud. Be free.